Hey. So I went to the Asian market today to pick up some fish, some on my ramune. I guess that's how it's called. It's Japanese soda. And I started walking around more and went down the candy aisle. So I started squeezing everything and shaking the boxes. And it sounded like it was hard candies, and I like hard candy. And so it's just a mixed fruit with strawberry. I don't know what that is. Maybe a kiwi, mango, grape, lemon, peach. And so these are the flavors right here. They're just little hard candy balls. And I got these little bubble gums. So it's basically like four. I ate these already. It's basically like four small balls to a box. And they were pretty good. Not very sugar heavy. So for those who need help cutting down on their sugar, it should be good. The melon is good. The grape flavor is good. I'm just trying to turn the nutrition over for you. So the grape is one box. It has like four little balls in it. 16 calories, no fat, no sodium, very little carbs, 4 and 3 grams of sugar, and 0 protein. So I can't say this one is sugar free, but it's very low on sugar. Then the melon, this one does taste like melon. It tastes very good. Is 16 grams of 16 calories per box, 0 fat, 4 grams of carb. 4 sugars include 4 added sugars. So I think this one is a little bit more sweet than the grape. And you can eat a whole box and only get 16 calories and very little sugar. So this is the type of stuff that I'm looking for going into my losing weight, because at the end of the day, I need my sugar. I just need my sugar. So I just need to cut out the high calorie sugars that I eat. And I just like hard candies. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out. I can't eat nothing on this box, y'all. Let's see. This is the ingredients for the hard candy, which is not really telling you anything. The nutrition facts, is it? Here it goes. So here's the nutrition facts. That's look like it's all in Japanese. I'm just trying to get it focused here. So it says 4 pieces a serving. 58 calories. I think it said 58. Is that 58 calories? Because it's small. I think it said 58 calories. Fat, 0. Sodium, 0. Carbs, 14 grams of carbs. 12 grams of sugar. And protein, oh, there it goes, finally. So 58 calories for 4 pieces. 14 grams of carb. 12 grams of sugar, 0 protein. So there you have it for 4 of these balls. Then, hold on. Then I got this soda. And I put it in the freezer. And so this is a peach cider soda. I never tasted it before. So I'm going to taste it now. It's a Japanese soda. They have melon. They have many flavors, but they had limited flavors. Only 3 at the place I went to. And it actually tastes good. It tastes like a peach soda. I think what threw me off with this is the cider. It said peach cider. And I'm sorry because this is all wet. Let me see if I could get a good picture. And like I said, I was down the soda aisle because I was getting my ramune. And I started looking and started, so I got 2 peach and 1 melon. Because the cider threw me off. I was like, oh, I don't know about no cider and soda. But when I looked it up, it just had just the regular for soda, sugar, citric acid maybe. So here's the it's 122 calories per bottle, 0 fat, sodium 5 milligrams, carbs it is 30 grams of carbs. That's high. $30 grams of carbs, 30 grams of sugar, and then it includes 30 grams of added sugars. Yeah, so this is high in calories and carbs. And it's called Tamamasu soft drink peach cider. And in it, it's carbonated water, high fructose corn syrup, of course, all the sugar, flavoring, citric acid, and it's a 10-ounce bottle. And I believe this was like $2.12, $2.25, $2.40, I don't know. It was I think it was $2.19. So if y'all ever at an Asian spot, this is not something I would get all the time. Maybe for my son, if he likes it. I have another peach one in there. I'll take the ramune, Japanese sodas because they're low in sugar, calories, and things of that nature. And I'll let him have the other one that looked like this. So I just wanted to come show y'all some of the stuff I got from the Asian market. I don't want to hold you up. I have another video coming on some candies and stuff that I bought that I did a month ago or so. But anywho, y'all have a good evening or good morning. Happy Sunday. I don't know when this is going to upload, but enjoy your days. Please give me that thumbs up when you come in to watch my video. It does not take much. It's free. Just click the thumbs up on your way in. Give me that thumbs up. And peace. Have a good night or good morning.